now a top focus at this hour. A shocking confrontation in Delhi turned violent Friday night, igniting fears about rising tensions over stray dog feeding across urban neighborhoods. Now we have for you a video that shows how what began as a simple act of kindness, feeding stray dogs, escalated into a disturbing assault. Now in this case, a young woman just 22 years old was slapped multiple times in broad daylight by a man. Now, the entire incident was captured on video that has since gone viral on social media and messaging platforms as well. Now, in this case, viewers, the man identified as Kamal Kishore Khanna, a resident of Brahmaputra Enclave, Siddharth Vihar, was arrested and is currently now in judicial custody. In fact, in the case, he has been charged with voluntarily causing hurt, criminal intimidation and also breach of peace. Now, the victim here, Yashika Shukla, along with her friend Seema Rani, regularly feed 3 community dogs in their neighborhood. But tensions came to head Friday evening when Khanna, allegedly angered by their presence, drove his car dangerously close to these women. And when they narrowly avoided harm, Khanna reportedly parked, launched into abuse and slapped Yashika 9 times in quick succession. Visuals on your screen showing you how this assault took place between these 2 individuals. You can see the man slapping repeatedly. See this man repeatedly slapping Yashika. In fact, he slapped her 9 times in quick succession. Now, Yashika claims that she was threatened with further harassment as well should she report this incident to police. In fact, Seema says hostility towards dog feeders is not new in their colony. Nothing that some residents have been known to physically even harm stray animals. Now, in this case, Khanna's brother paints a different picture, accusing the women of provoking the confrontation first and then claiming parts of the viral video have been edited to omit their role. Now, viewers, the incident has reopened a critical debate, in fact, on the management of stray dogs in our cities. Remember, this comes in the light of Supreme Court's order saying that designated feeding zones will be created and no one will be allowed to feed dogs on streets publicly outside these zones. And just after that order, remember, this incident has come to light. In fact, as of now, the work is ongoing. We do not have designated feeding zones. The government is still working to create those, in fact. But, of course, we could see conflicts like these erupting, but very horrifying and very unfortunate and disturbing at the same time. This man slapped this woman 9 times in repeated succession. For what? For feeding stray dogs. Now, at this point, of course, the question remains, how do we balance compassion for animals with the safety and peace of residents? But for now, of course, the unsettling images coming to light from Siddharth Vihar, they serve as a stark reminder of the kind of challenges we continue to face on the streets when it comes to management of stray dogs in urban neighborhoods specifically, you know. Now, clearly, this episode has raised a lot of questions about where are we headed as a society when we see such incidents, specifically over the issue of feeding stray dogs? Second, what are the challenges we are going to face when it comes to creating designated feeding zones across our urban neighborhoods? And of course, how do we respond to this delicate balance that we want to maintain in terms of our love for animals and also when it comes to the safety concerns of our residents? So these are the crucial questions. But that remains, even though the questions are there, this is something that's not acceptable at any cost. If there is a problem, you have the legal route, you can approach police as well in such cases now. But taking these situations into your own hands and escalating to such a level, clearly horrifying at this point. And also, something we have been discussing for long about the responsibility of feeding dogs. I mean, that has to be also brought in. Because, what essentially happens is that when these dogs eat, they are really in a vulnerable condition. So that often leads to more attacks. So there have to be such clear designated zones now. And dog feeders also have to take responsibility at some end. But again, that being said, this is something that's not acceptable at any cost.